Okay, guys, good morning. So let's begin this process today. Now, okay, we'll start with this. So you are looking into writing of the stored procedures, okay, with the parameters and even the without parameters in SQL. So let's go ahead. So to go ahead and begin with the same. So guys, okay, guys, so let's begin this process now. Okay, guys, so I'm starting up. For today's topic, I'm writing it, everyone. The case study. And the title of the case study. So the today exercise title you watch, everyone. Okay. So I'm using customized. Okay. Customized SQL queries. Customized SQL queries using stored procedures. So in the last class, you have seen how to write the stored procedures, guys. Today
Yes,
we are, yeah. Hello? Please tell me.
yes, the sir.
Yeah. So today we'll see how to use those stored procedures in ADF. Customized SQL queries using stored procedures in ADF. So as per the specifications, as per the specifications, just go here and now write it down. Source data store. So let's use the source data store. So what my source data store is what? Azure SQL database. Azure SQL database and the table which I wanted to create here is the employees. Sync data storage is again Azure SQL database. Now the table which I wanted to create here is STG underscore employees. STG means what? The staging underscore employees. Okay. So here I wanted to use staging underscore employees. So that's it, guys. So now let's begin this process. I'm just starting all the services, guys, to begin with. So you can say that I wanted to custom the SQL queries and configure the stored procedures in ADF today. So for that, click on the create resource group. So I'm creating the resource group, which is the basic, the part we have it. So I'm using it, guys. SP stored procedures, all of you stored procedures, RG. So now, guys, and once it is there, so what is it I want? Can you see it? Just open the resource group. So let it be as it is for information. And now the next one, let's go to this. What is it you have it? Tell me now. First of all, I wanted to use the database. So just create it. And now I wanted to create it. So just click on the create. So guys, here the database, I wanted to create it the database. So here I want the database. Database is what is it? Source DB. Okay. And here, what is it I want? Server. So I want Durga Soft server. That means I want the same information. So here I want the same. Can you see? I'm just using it the same one. Whereas instead of the source DB, I wanted to give it here as what target DB. Guys, target DB. But you know what is it I want? I want one server where I wanted to host both the databases. Am I right, everyone? Following, please answer my question.
Yes, sir. Yes, Samir.
So now just open this. So guys, I'm just creating the first database that is called a source database within the resource group called SPRG, and now give the name of the database. So I wanted to use the name of the database as source DB, everyone. And now this has to be defined with the server. So I'm just selecting the server, new server. And now guys, I'm giving the server name as DurgaSoft server. That's it. DurgaSoft server as the name of the database. Then use SQL authentication. That means for this particular server, we require to give the username and password. So I'm using also Durga admin, and the password for the same I'm using Samir1234. Capital S Samir1234. That's it. Okay. Click on this. Okay. And now, guys, once you have defined this, we require to define the pricing tier. So for defining the pricing tier, what is that we need to do? Click on the configure database. And now select it in the provision your database with the DTU based purchasing model, under which you have to use the best for less demanding workloads. And now reduce the size to the 1 MB. That means 100 GB, 1 GB, 0.1 GB, that is called as 100 MB. Click on apply. And now guys, click on the networking tab finally, and click on the networking tab. And now here select the public endpoints and allow the firewall settings. Review and create. Click on the review and click on the create. That's it, guys. Now And now then afterwards, just open this and I'll start the data factory as well. So here the database is creating still. Meanwhile, I'll start up the data factory. Now click on the data factory again. Click on the create blade for the data factory. And now guys, select it here, the resource group, and now use it. Instance customized SQL queries. So click on review. Okay, guys, just go to the resource now. And I'll launch the data studio. Meanwhile, now the next one, go back to the database. Still it's creating, guys. It will be created very shortly now. Meanwhile, just come back. Now, guys, this is expanded. Leave it as it is, and now come back. The Azure SQL database is ready. So with the there is nothing but source database being hosted on a server called what, Durga Soft Server. So now I will create one more database. So for that, just come back and open the SQL DB. So now I wanted to open the same database because I wanted to create one more database on the same server. So for that, just open this, guys. Click on the server name. You have the server name. So click on the server name, guys, everyone. So now, guys, click on the create database. And now click on the create database and now startup. So give the database name. So I wanted to give the database name as target DB and the same server. So hence you not disturb on the server part. So the next one is configure. So just click on this configure. Even this is not active. Just a minute. If this is not active, anyways, so I'm just going back. Discard it. Let's click on the one more time. Sometimes there's a technical error. So guys, click on the create database. This should be active. It is not active, means the server is not responding. So this is a technical issue. So we have to, there is no other go except Okay, we just to click on this. Still, it's not active, guys. Open a new. Now open the database. Now open the source database because I wanted to create the same on the same server. One more database on the same server. So I'm just selecting this. Click on the server name. Click on the create database. Still not active, guys. This should be active. Please select the server, it says. Still not active, just a minute. Now it's fine, guys. So let's give the database name. So I'm giving the database name as target DB. That's it. And now select the pricing tier. It was a technical glitch. So now it got resolved. So guys, here let us give the basic less demanding workloads. So now I'm reducing the size as well. Click on the apply and select the networking tab and allow only the one firewall settings and review and create. That's it, guys. And now let us wait here for creation of even this database because my source is ready. So I wanted to create even the target database. Now, guys, meanwhile, go to the source database and now click on the this one. And now again use what is it? Tell me now. Provide it. The password for this. So I'm using the Samir 1234 as a password. Just click on this. Okay. So now guys, let's see, already the employee table is there. Now guys, copy this. I'm creating the same table in the source database. And now run this. Now guys, see how many rows are there? 10 rows are created here as per this. So what is the next one now I want? Can you see everyone?
Yes, sir.
So now the next one, what is it I want to use? Write it down the procedures. Am I right? All the procedures. So do we have the code already? Yeah, guys, in the last class I pasted the code. Did you have it?
No, Samir, before copying, I have ended the meeting.
Okay, so no problem. I think I should have this code. So let's go and try out in this. Hmm. So guys, this is the can you see here? Here you have this code. Can you see here? Everyone, this is some of the notes. We have it, okay. What is the stored procedures and what is the SQL Server procedure does here, okay. You can just, if you want, okay, you can just have a look on this and even you can make a note of it. Anyways, using the video, you can just make a note on this. So these are some of the notes. So anyways, at this point of time, I need not explain you about the stored procedure. So now guys, let's try to create it. Here, the table is already created. So now I wanted to create the uh, stored procedure. Okay. Now guys, I'm writing the normal query here. This is nothing but a okay. This is a static query. I wanted to just write it here, run this. So it will display only those records where the salary is greater than 25,000. So totally in here, 8 records are there. Now I wanted to create a stored procedure. So I'm using create a stored procedure, guys, everyone. Create a stored procedure. And this is the body of the stored procedure, everything. So now guys, here you have it.
Samir, we need to delete two times. There is a create. There is a two-time create procedure.
You just need to comment that the first one. It is like
Yeah, 18th one, please comment it. 18 and 19.
Okay, I'll just comment to this one. Okay, now it's fine, guys. Succeeded. Okay. So this is the new option you are getting it. That's it, guys. Now execute the procedure. That's it. It's displaying those records where the employee's salary is greater than 30,000. So as to make them more dynamic, so to make them more dynamic, what is it we are doing? Huh, guys, tell me now. I'm creating the uh,
Parameter.
procedure with the, what is it?
Parameter.
Two parameters.
parameters.
So now we can just use it here like this. Directly I'm creating it. Create stored procedures using multiple parameters. So what is it I'm using? Yeah, guys, tell me. USP employees. So already it's so I wanted to give what? USP employees underscore param. Okay, so see the result here. Now, guys, second time, just execute it. That's it, guys. So now, today, further, what we will do is kill me, guys. So even we have the stored procedures without parameters. If you want, you can create it. Okay. All the things we have is with multiple parameters already we have created now. Multiple parameters. Okay. So anyways, everything is fine now. Anyways, you have created the top one, so need not worry about the rest of this. So now, guys, what's the next procedure we have to tell me now? Now we have to start executing these procedures, guys. Everyone, now we have to start executing these procedures into the. Tell me now, into the ADF. So for that, it is ready. So come back, everyone. So just go here. So now, first of all, create the link services. Are you there, guys? Everyone, please
Please
respond.
come. Please some.
So now, guys, click on the new link services. So first link services, I wanted to create it
For SQL server.
for the, what is it I want? Tell me for the SQL's database. not SQL Server, SQL database. So I'm using SQL. So use it here, Azure. Now provide the name of this ls underscore source underscore db, or you can say source db underscore SQL database. SQL DB, you can see that shortcut. So now allow this same, select the server, select the database. Can you see it? Source database selected here, and then give the username. So I'm giving the username as Durga admin, and the password I'm using it here as a Samir, capital S 1234.
So you are typing username itself the password. You should be typing the password tab.
Click on the connect. There is testing the connections here to establish, to define the all the things are connected readily. Click on the new tab. And now, guys, what's it about till we know?
Azure SQL.
So I want, what is it? SQL. One more link service how to create it. So for that, I'm just opening this. Use it here. ls underscore. Tell me now.
Sync underscore.
Okay, ls underscore sync underscore SQL db. Now use it as it is. Server name and the database name. Test connections. Click on the create. Fine, everyone, guys. So let's go to this again. What is the next thing you have to tell me now? Author. So let's create the data sets here. Click on the new data set. And now give the data set name. I wanted to create the first data set for SQL database, which is my source. So I'm using ds underscore source. Select the link service. Now here, what we can do? So now, guys, here don't want to select the table here. Anyways, you have only one table. Let's select the table. Click on OK. Now, guys, create one more data set. So click on the SQL. So use it here, Azure SQL, and now give the name here. SQL ds underscore SQL db underscore target. So guys, here you have to select the same. But do you have any table available here? No, there is no table available. So still I want to give the name here dbo. I want, what is it? ESTG underscore employees. I want this table to be created the target. Do we have a target table already available, guys? Please tell me, everyone.
No.
So click on the none now, click on the none and click on the OK. So I want to create this at the runtime. That means I want to create it at the runtime. So go to the pipeline. Okay, select it here, the pipeline. PL underscore SQLDB underscore queries. That's it, guys. So this is ready. So click on this view, drag and drop the copy activity. Select the copy activity, select the source, select the source data set. Select the sync data set. Now, if you want to write the customized SQL query, you can use the customized SQL query here. Okay. So all these queries, whatever we have written, those we can just trial it here, guys. Okay, I'll just show you the sample. That's better now. So I want to result. Guys, suppose you have some more table, some more rows are there. Can you see it? I want some more rows are there. So I want, okay, see, I have it this one. Let's copy this, come back. So now, guys, go to the source. So now, guys, I wanted to insert some more rows here. So can you see it? Insert into values. So I want to give it a semicolon. Now see how many rows are there. Can you see it? I'm using the select star from EMP now. Tell me now, guys. How many rows are there? Before we are having 10. Now 5 more rows are added. Am I right?
Yes.
So now, guys, tell me now how to eliminate the duplicate rows. How to eliminate the duplicate rows? Do you have duplicate rows now? So
Yes.
I'm writing the customized SQL query. Select a star or select distinct. Select a distinct EMPNO, comma, comma. What is it? Tell me now. Name, comma, department number. What are the other things you have to tell me now? From employees. So this is called as cleansing, guys. Cleansing means generally we use the word called cleansing. Filtering is nothing but it's called as cleansing. So guys, the duplicate records are deleted here or not? See? Yeah?
Yes.
That should click on. Okay, that's mean it's working here. The query is working here. That's it, guys. Run this now. First run this up to here. We have not selected the auto create table, so it should fail now. Guys, just select it here, sync system. We've not selected the auto create table. So now let's create it. Now, guys, fine, everyone succeeded. So go to this. Go to this. So open this. Just open this. Now, guys, here the table is there. Yeah, that's it. Now it's ready, guys. So use it here. Select. Select. Select the star from EMP. See here, only non-duplicate records. Select the star from just see here. See, without any duplications, the data is created now. Okay, now because of the query. Now, guys. So, guys, that's it now. See here, everything is fine. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Now I'm doing one more thing, guys. Now, actually, let us try to execute it by using another pipeline now. PL underscore. I want what's it? Stored procedures SP. So let's take a move and transform here. New copy activity. So that's it, guys. So I'm using copy data. Using SP, that is called as stored procedures. Select it here. Select the source as it is. Now select the sink. Select the sink as it is. Now this time, don't select the from the right. What is it from the source? From the source, don't select the query. So we have to use the query last time. Now we are going to use a stored procedure. So do we have our stored procedure given with parameters or not, guys? This is the stored procedure. We have it. So does our stored procedure has the parameters or not?
Yes, sir, we have.
Huh? Just
Yes,
import
we
it.
have.
Yeah, import it on the same can now, guys. Here you can give it hard coded department number 10 and salary is something you can give like this. Salary is 40,000. You can give it here like this, but I don't want to. You want to hard code it?
No, submit. Please
So
take down.
so you don't want to hard code it at this point of time. So why? Because hard coding every time it's a cumbersome process. So now to avoid that, we can define a parameter. So now tell me, what is it we can do it here? Huh? So you have to define the parameters for the pipeline. So we are into the pipeline now. Just put the control onto the pipeline canvas anywhere and now click on the parameter. So now click on the two parameters. So first of all, I want PL underscore DNO. PL underscore DNO. I want PL underscore sal. That's it. These are the two parameters. Select it here. Now put the control here. Add dynamic contents. Now select it here. Use the PL underscore DNO. That means pipeline. So this particular parameter called DNO will receive the data from the pipeline parameter. Then the same one, what you have it salary variable will receive the data from what is that? Pipeline parameter. Click on OK. That's it, guys. The values are given or not? Now go to the sync now. So anyways, the target data set is selected. Click on the auto create table. Auto create table. That is automatically create the table here. Guys, everyone is okay now? Or else if you're told I want, you can also create a new table. I'll just select one more data set for the target. So SQL. SQL ls sorry ds underscore SQL db underscore target 1. So select it here. Same link service. No, I want to create a new table. So click on the edit. I want DBO. All of you. DBO. Here I want the, can see. I want, what is it? DBO. What's the table name I want? T underscore employees. Click on OK. Because the table is not available. So hence click on the none and click on OK. Now guys, click on the debug. That will ask you for the value. So here I'll give you 10. And the value I will give it as 35,000. Fine, everyone, open this. Succeeded, guys. Go to the target database and now refresh it here once. So here you have it. Copy this. T underscore employees. Use it here. Run this, guys. Got it only? Those records are there where the salary is greater than 35,000 and the department number is, what is it? 10, you have it. So is it copied now, everyone? Hello?
Yes, sir.
That's it, guys. For this exercise, we have done it. So that's it. So I'm stopping the class here today.
Samir, I have one question. Can we parameterize the table name also?
Huh?
Table name, can you parameterize the table name itself?
Yeah, definitely. Why not? Table name also you can parameter it. Table name you want to.
Correct. Yeah. Suppose I have already created a table, like source and target table is already there in my SQL Server database. Now I wanted that to be like, there is a number of tables are there, but my query is like when wanted to parameterize the table, dynamically it will select what is the source and what is the target. Some sort of dynamic mapping, I mean to say.
Yeah, we can do that, but the programming part and everything will change. Okay, guys. So that's it for the day. I'm stopping the class. Thank you.